It's strange to believe that these islands of concrete and steel behave like living things. But what the latest data reveals is that if you double the size of a city, any city, you get an across-the-board increase in all the good and all the bad. That's their curse. But new sensing technologies are coming online that may be able to diagnose the ills of urban growth while protecting and even nurturing the good.
Adam 2 to dispatch.
Richmond, California, a working-class town tucked away on the northeast end of San Francisco Bay, has long had a reputation for urban scourges like poverty and crime. But within the city of 100,000, one of the roughest areas was the Easter Hill housing project.
There was a time where the police officers were told not to enter Easter Hill alone. You had to go in with 2 cars in order to make sure you had sufficient coverage.
But Easter Hill's changed. It's now called Richmond Village, and it's got an incredible bit of engineering that's keeping the peace. It's a device that tells police when and where a gun is fired. Here, designers run a test.
Mikhail, you ready for the test?
Roger, test fire number 1.
Proceed with test fire number 1 when ready.
The device uses sensitive microphones that pick up the sound of gunfire. The difference in time it takes for sound to reach each microphone allows the device to triangulate the location of the shot, at which point a camera swings into action and starts recording.
Okay, did you get a gunshot?
The location looks good.
Mikhail, that last shot was 229 degrees and 2 degrees of elevation. Everything looks really good on this end. Nice work.
Roger that.
In Richmond Village, 16 of the crime prevention systems stand watch over the neighborhood. They're linked to an on-site command center monitored by police officers. They conduct periodic tests to ensure the system is always in working order.
Charles 31, countdown, please.
Charles 31 copies. 3, 2, 1.
Test confirmed. Copy, thank you.
The system clearly works, but does it work to fight crime?
Since 2006, when the system was installed, the police department has not had any responses to Richmond Village in regards to gunshot violence or illegal gunshots.
So is this a case of technology changing human behavior? The result in this neighborhood has been nothing short of a transformation. Since the sensors went up, crimes involving guns have plummeted. The neighborhood's changed and today looks more like a squeaky clean subdivision than the dilapidated warren of tenements it was just a few years ago.
The system actually works very well as a deterrent for the criminals in terms of their normal behavior. They know that if you shoot, we will zoom in and we will get a face.
Using technology to inoculate cities against the ill effects of growth is just one application of our advanced sensing capability.